Beach umbrella, 8 foot by 7 foot with fiberglass rods, white underneath, blue on top with UV protection, UPC 50. It is a tiltable umbrella. It has a button that opens up. I stand 6 feet tall and I'm going through a medium area, about 5'10", and 6 feet over here going through. It is easy to set up, easy to take down, portable with a carrying strap and bag. We're going to show you everything what this umbrella is about. This is an 8-foot umbrella, stands 7 feet tall. It is a colorful umbrella with UV protection under the sun with tilt. It comes protected in the box. I'm going to show you how it is unboxed. As we pull out of the box, we have a blue, turquoise, and white umbrella. It has the strap that opens and closes. It has a shoulder strap that wraps around the shoulder. We're going to go to the beach and set up the umbrella. Setting up is as easy as opening, spreading apart, and pulling out the parts. We have a pole, we stake into the ground, and we have the umbrella wrapped up with the Velcro cord fabric. With the case, so it doesn't blow away, goes over, and the handles open up, and now we basically twist in. The handle, 90 degrees, and down below, as it goes in, with pressure pushing down to hold in. Once you reach the depth to secure into place, fold the handles up and unscrew the knob. The knob is a plastic type handle that you take now, your case cover, slide over, and take the umbrella and place in and secure down. It'll lock into place as far as here and then secure into place. If you feel that you need to secure it down a little more, open up the handles and continue to go in. Unwrap, grab, and lift. And once lifted, lock into place. A plastic top, wind goes through the top, fiberglass arms. I stand 6 feet tall, and the umbrella has a tilt feature. We press a button over here, we're able to tilt and rotate. Simply push in, swivel, and rotate. Inside is white, outside is the colorful design and the fiberglass rods, and on top is the blue button that you simply press to unfold. Push up to lock in, and the button here releases and swivels. We'll give you a nice look at the umbrella from above. So if you're looking for an umbrella for the beach to protect from the sun, be under the shade, put a chair, put a blanket, and more, this product may be something right for you. We're going to disassemble by simply pressing the button, closing down and getting away from the inside, and taking the strap that has a Velcro and wrap it around. We're going to unscrew, lift up, put into its carrying bag. Over here, the wind goes through with the plastic cone protector that spins. In the bag it goes one or two different ways. Put it in first with the cone or with the bar second, your option. Aluminum pole When placing in the pole, simply slide the bag over, place in below the opening, all the way in, pull the drawstring, wrap around your shoulder, and off you go. Enjoy your product if this is something that you are looking for.